Good morning, all of you. Let us continue our chapter 10, Play with Patterns. Today we are going to learn about even and odd number patterns, even and odd numbers. Now, just make a table as given in textbook. See, they have just written 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then 11, 12, 13, 14 till 100. Okay, they have started from down and completed till 100, and then alternate columns are colored in different colors. See, this is blue color, then yellow, blue, yellow, blue, yellow. Okay, now if we observe, just observe the columns. Here we see the last digit is 1. Just observe, the last digit everywhere is 1. Here last digit is 2. Here last digit is 3. Here 4. Here 5. Then 6. Then 7. Then 8. Then 9. And then 0. The last digit here is 0. Okay. Now you see the blue color numbers. The last digits are 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Okay. So these all are called odd numbers. Again I repeat, the last digits are 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9. So these are all odd numbers. This blue color are odd numbers. Now look at this yellow color columns. So here you see the last digit 2, 4, 6, 8 and 0. Again I repeat, 2, 4, 6, 8 and 0. So these yellow color are even numbers. They are called even numbers. If you observe table of 2, in that also the last digit is always either 2, 4, 6, 8 or 0. Okay, so for even numbers the last digit is 2, 4, 6, 8 or 0. These are called even numbers. Now we will just look at even numbers. So just now we have seen all numbers that end with 2, 4, 6, 8 or 10 actually or 0 are called even numbers. Again I repeat, all numbers that end with 2, 4, 6, 8 or 0 are called even numbers. Okay. Now, so if we look at our columns, so 2, 4, 6, 8, it will go on, then 90, 92, 94. These all are even numbers. So here also some examples are given. See, 126, 2568, 7000, 2350, 192, 474 are all even numbers. How did I say these are even numbers? I don't have to see the whole number. We have to just see the last digit. See, it is colored red. So the last digit here is 6. Yes, so it is even number. Last digit here is 8. So this is also even. Last digit is 0. So this is even number. Here also last digit is 0. So this is also even number. Here last digit is 2. So this is also even number. 192 is even. The whole number is even number. Now again here last digit is 4. So 474 is even number. So again I repeat, we have to just look at the last digit, and if the last digit is either 2, 4, 6, 8 or 0, this number is even number. Okay, the number given will be even number. Now in our textbook they have given us to fill these blanks. So they have given 96, 98. So these are even numbers. So after 98, what will we get? Even numbers we have to fill. So it will be 100. Then 102. So after 102, even number is 104. 104. Then 106. Then 108. And then we will get 110. Don't write 1010. That is wrong. 110 means how we have to write? 1 and then we have to write 10. So this is 110. And after that what we will get? We will get 112. Okay. So if we see, just look at the digits here. 0, 2, 4. Last digit I am talking about. 6, 8. Again 0. Again 2. Again we will get 4. Again 6. It will go on repeating. So all these are called even numbers. Now let us learn about odd numbers. We have just seen in that table that all the numbers that end with 1, 3, 5, 7 or 9 are called odd numbers. So in our table, the blue color 1, 3, 5, 7, all these columns are odd numbers. So look at the last digit 1, 3, 5. The last digit is always 1, 3, 5, 7 or 9. So these are called odd numbers. So here a few examples are given of odd numbers. Just look at this: 127, 2561, 7005, 2353, 479 are odd numbers. And what we have to see? We have to just look at the last digit. So here you see 7 is the last digit. Here 1 is the last digit. Here 5 is the last digit. Here 3 is the last digit. Here 9 is the last digit. So all these are odd numbers. So for odd numbers, the last digit should be 1, 3, 5, 7 or 9. So if the last digits are these, then the number is odd number. The given number is odd number. Now here we have to fill the odd numbers. So they have given 99. So after that odd number is 101. So after 101 what I will get? I will get 103. Then 105. Then 107. So after 7 odd number is 9. 109. After 109 we will get 111. After that we will get 113. Okay. So these all are odd numbers. Now on page number 152, they have asked us to write all odd numbers between 400 and 410. Okay, so odd numbers means we have to remember the last digit should be 1, 3, 5, 7 or 9. Okay, so after 400, the odd number will be 401. Then 403. Then 405. Then 407. After that 409. They have asked to write till 410. So we have to complete till 409 because the next number will be 411. That is more than this number. So we don't have to write that. So odd numbers between 400 and 410 are 401, 403, 405, 407 and 409. Now similarly here they have asked to write the even numbers between 155 and 165. So even numbers means what should be the last digit? It should be either 2, 4, 6, 8 or 0. So after 155 the even number is 156. Next one will be 158. After that 160, then 162, then 164. We have to stop here because the next one will be 166. 166 is more than this number. So we have to stop at 164. So even numbers between 155 and 165 are 156, 158, 160, 162 and 164. These are the even numbers. Now these two questions you have to do yourself in your notebook. You have to write all these in your notebooks, okay? All the questions given you have to copy in your notebook, and these two you have to do yourselves. Now, if we add 1 to any odd number, we get an dash number. So, just take one example. Suppose we have to take odd number. So, suppose I am taking 5. So, 5 plus 1 is 6. So, that is an even number. If I take 3, 3 plus 1 is 4. That is also an even number. So, when we add 1 to any odd number, we get an even number. So when we add 1 to odd number, we get even number. Similarly, when we add 1 to even number, we get an odd number. You can take any example. Suppose I am taking 2. 2 is an even number. If I add 1, then I get 2 plus 1, 3. That is an odd number. Suppose I am taking 10. 10 is an even number. So plus 1 is 11. That is an odd number. So 1 plus even number is always an odd number. Now next question they have asked, what do you get if you add an even number to an odd number? Means we are adding one even number and one odd number. So let us take the example. Suppose I am adding even and odd. So 2 plus 3, I get 5. So 5 is an odd number. So when I add even and odd number, one even and one odd number, we get odd number. So even plus odd is odd number. So answer is odd number. Now we have to arrange the names in an order. Order means they want alphabetical order. If you see your roll numbers, they are arranged in alphabetical order. So the name which begins with A will have roll number 1. The name which begins with B will have roll number 2. So similarly here also a few names are given and we have to arrange them in alphabetical order. Alphabetical order means A, B, C, D. So the letter which comes first will get first. It will be placed first. So here if we see the first letter is A. You have to just look at the first letter. Okay, so this is A. So we know in our alphabet A, B, C, D, A comes first. So this will be first name. So Adil will be the first name. Now look at the second name. Is there any name beginning with B? So yes, we can see here this begins with B, by Chung. So here the first letter is B. So that will be arranged second. Now, is there any name beginning with C? Can you see? No, we don't see here any name beginning with C. With D? No. With E? Yes, we can see here Elvis. So, Elvis will be third one. Then, after E, what we get? We get F. Is there any name with F? No. After F we get G. So here G. So Gurinder will be fourth one. Okay. So here the first letter is G. So this will be fourth one. Now after G, H. So here H is there, Harsha. So this will be fifth one. Now after H what is there? I. H. I. So is there any name beginning with I? No. After I, J. J is there. Yes. So this will be sixth one. After J, K is there. So this will be seventh one. After K, L. Is there any name beginning with L? No. Then M. L, M. Yes. M is there, Mahadevan. So this will be 8. Then N. After M we get N. So this will be ninth one. O. We don't have anywhere O. Do we have P? No. Do we have Q? No. But we have R. So this will be 10th one. After R, S is there. See, Sharda. So S is there. So this will be 11th one. Then T is there. So this will be 12th one. Then U, V. No, we don't see any name with U. We don't see any name with V. directly W is there. So this will be 13th one. Okay, so we have just put them in order. So we will arrange them in alphabetical order. Now here we have arranged the names alphabetically. So if we look at the first letter, you see here A, B, then E, because C and D names were not there. Then G, H, J, K, M, N, R, S, T, W. So these names are arranged in alphabetical order. Okay, so if you look at your names also, in our class we arrange them alphabetically. Boys names alphabetically and girls name alphabetically. Okay. Now here Jalaj name is given and he is saying that my name is special name. Why he says his name is special name? Because even if we read from backward, the spelling remains same. You see, from beginning it is Jalaj. Similarly, from backward also Jalaj. So his name is special. Now here few names are given and we have to find the same pattern, means reading from backside also the spelling remains same. So here Harsh, Anna, Kanak, Munna and Ongbi, these names are given. So if you observe them carefully, this name also we can read same way from backside. See, the spelling is A-N-N-A. From backside also it is A-N-N-A. Same way for Kanak, from beginning K-A-N-A-K. Similarly, from backside K-A-N-A-K. So these are also special names. Okay. Now you also find a few names having the same pattern. Same pattern means from both the sides, from beginning also and from end also. When you read, the letters do not change. They are same. So you have to find a few names having the same pattern. Okay, thank you. Bye.